We got to start. This is the A3 Superbike final. The TQ for this event was Francisco Ian with a 14.723 in round 3 today. Didn't expect Mother Nature to kick us in the crotch. It hasn't rained in LA in 30 years. Why today? Yeah, we don't have any rain down here.
9 minutes left.
9 minutes left. We reduced this to a 10-minute main event. I'm sorry, a 7-minute main event. I'm sorry. We've got 5 minutes and 35 seconds left in this 7-minute race. All right, it is Lito Reyes.
5 minutes left.
Some guys can drive in the wet better than they can, you know, the guys in the dry. So Lito Reyes right now is being shown in first spot. Larry D in second. Dwayne Lawler right now is in the third spot. Turn marshal may have to help him out. There is no grip out there. Both these guys need some assistance. Brent will do the honors. See, Brent knows how to put those bikes down so they go straight. And he almost got himself killed out there. So right now, Lito, Larry, and Dwayne Lawler in the third spot. Wyatt Sadler in the fourth position right now, followed by Bruce and Will. Lito Reyes continued the lead.
4 minutes left.
Oh, you got to get a marshal here. Oh, he almost had it. Oh, he got it. All right. Dwayne Lawler coming down off the driver's stand. Dwayne was currently in third when he came off. They're taking a look at something on the bike. Race number 10, race 11, you guys need to be getting ready. Our final race of the day. Lito Reyes and Larry D going at it. Right now, Larry D is being shown in the lead.
Three minutes left.
We got some rain coming down. Yeah, it looks like it's headed. Too bad it's not headed this way. We got some sunshine to the west. Okay, heads up. Since it is raining like this, we'll go ahead and we'll start race number 11. If I see that it's not under control, we just can't get anywhere with it, I will call the race, and we will award trophies by order of qualifying. We'll go ahead and start it and see what happens. You local guys, not the out-of-towners, while it's quiet. We got 1 minute 58 seconds left. While it's quiet, I know it's raining, but we cannot leave this track up Monday morning for all the commuters. For you guys that don't know, this lot is totally full of parked cars during the week. And they want their parking spaces. So please stick around to help us put the track away, you guys. Out-of-towners I can understand, but locals, please stick around to help us put this track away. We're going to need all the help we can get because it is wet weather. It is wet weather. So that's all we ask. So right now, at 4:27 in the afternoon, it is the RC Superbike A3 Main with 1 minute and 7 seconds left. I've got Lito Reyes, Larry D, and Wyatt Sandler, followed by Bruce, Will, and Dwayne. In that order.
1 minute left.
1 minute left. 1 minute left. Yeah, we may have to call this. We got 48 seconds left. They're going to have